What's up guys, it's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new trending style. Today I tried, of course the 2 days really. So I did the boho knotless braids, like medium size, using human hair. I'm on my way to Jamaica, so I'm like, I need like, you know, quick do, but something I can get wet, something cute. I know there's like some controversial whatever about this style because some people say it gets like tangled and stuff like that, which it does if you use synthetic hair. So like that's kind of the key for it, is to use human hair instead of synthetic hair. Because the synthetic hair, like I tried that about like probably like 4 years ago or something when I was going to Mexico, and literally like before I even left my state, like my hair was so matted and tangled, and I ended up cutting all the curly pieces out. But the human hair, it's not gonna do that. I will say though, this style does require some sort of maintenance, not like extreme maintenance. You really just need like water and conditioner, or water and some mousse, because you are incorporating curly pieces. So keep that in mind if you're one where you do like to just braid your hair and like not do anything, like not even put oil on your scalp, then this may not be the style for you. So the human hair I use for the style is from Nahara's Curls, texture Tula, I believe. Yes, Tula, because it's the loosest texture they have. I bought 2 bundles, but I ended up using one, not even one. And I did quite a few curly pieces. Like I kind of went ham with it. Obviously you could use less, like half a bundle, if you don't want as much curly pieces, but you can't really buy half a bundle anyway. But yeah, but I would say no more than like 1 bundle can get you at least the look that I have. That's about it. Let's get into this video, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Okay, so the first thing I did is part my hair. This braiding rack right here, I just ordered it off of Amazon. It's my first time trying it. Why I didn't have one of these before, I do not know, because I used to be a braider and braid other people's hair as well. And I'd always just hang the hair on like the side of like a chair or something like that. And I'm like, let me just get one of these braiding racks off of Amazon. And this one was just great. There was no assembly. You honestly just fold it out. It's very lightweight. So if you are a braider, or you're just traveling, I guess, and want to do your hair, you can easily just like fold it up and bring it with you. But this saved so much time, because the biggest thing with braiding is prepping. Once you're prepped, the braiding goes by really, really fast. I will link this in my description box so you guys can get it as well. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can get enough of my baby, I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. So you want to make sure you're cutting the hair off the weft for your curly pieces. You can use track hair, clip, like old clip-in hair, or even a wig. You don't have to necessarily just use like hair that's meant for sewing in. As long as you can remove the hair from whatever it's attached to, it can work, because I've seen people use like old human hair wigs before. So yeah, and the great thing I like about human hair too is it's reusable. So you can just gently take, when you're taking down the hair, you can just take it down gently and remove these pieces and use it again in another hairstyle. You don't have to throw it away. I just need a night with you, drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can get enough of my baby. So we're starting off on freshly washed, blow-dried hair, not a lot of oils or anything to make the hair like, you know, greasy. You want to start on a clean surface. So I went ahead and did the back for you guys, and I will do a more slow, detailed tutorial of the front. So I actually ended up doing the front a little bit bigger than the back. Not here, but when I got like closer to the front, because I started to get tired and I did this a lot longer than I wanted to. So it was just taking up too much time. So I was like, yeah, we're going to do it bigger. But yeah, you apply your gel and then you begin your plait with your natural hair, and you're gonna slowly feed in those pieces. And luckily we already separated the pieces, so it's so easy just to grab and feed it in. You also want to make sure you're using like a good amount of gel. I just got my hair trimmed, so my ends are cut very blunt, so I needed like a good amount of gel to like really hug those pieces in so they don't stick out. Yeah, and once you add the curly pieces, I kind of just like to put it in my mouth so it's separate and doesn't get caught in the braid that I'm doing. The amount of curly pieces you add in is completely up to you. I didn't do the same amount in each piece. I kind of did it more sporadic because I wanted some curly pieces, but I didn't necessarily want it like all to be curly. So it's up to you. You can do 1 in each braid, 2, 5, just do half of the braid and leave it like the ends out. But I did braid my hair all the way down because like I said, the more curly hair you have, it's just a bit more maintenance.
Contact with clouds, now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all, I just wanna be free.
So for the ends, I did not use glue or burn it or anything like that. I added a piece when I was close, a curly piece when I was close to the end, and I just braided the hair until I couldn't braid anymore. I tried to use the glue, but it was not working and I had no patience. So I was like, we're just gonna braid it out.
I always stay dreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free, finally, I wanna be free, I wanna be free, I wanna be free, I had to abide you, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free, I wanna be brave, I wanna be free, I wanna be free, finally.
All right, so I have all my braids done. I haven't set the curls yet. This is how it looks when you're just done and you didn't do anything. So we're gonna use some water and some mousse and just damp the hair. You also don't need to dip this hair because there's no way to dip it without dipping the human hair curly pieces. So you really just need to apply a little bit of lukewarm water. That's what I usually like to use. I feel like it helps it to lay a bit more flat, and go in with your mousse, and that's it. And this is the finished product, guys. The total style time, I would say, is about 4.5 hours for this size. If you're like intermediate with braiding, if you're a beginner, this can probably take 6 to 7 hours. But also, if you're at home just taking your time, hey, who cares how long it takes? You're still saving money. Okay, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love making hair content for you guys because I love doing hair. So I like showing you guys how to do hair. And I just also want to say hello like to all my new subs and thank you. It honestly makes me so happy when you guys ask me questions and like just, why do I feel emotional? Oh my God, these pregnancy hormones, guys. But no, it honestly makes me so happy when you guys like say, you know, you learned something from my videos, you learned how to do your hair yourself, it saved you money, and just overall just like supporting my content. Like it brings me so much joy because I really put a lot into making these videos for you guys, and I really want y'all to save these coins. Like as a black girl, like we want to be so versatile with our hair, but we can't pay somebody to do it all the time. And that's something I learned because I was like young and broke and I definitely could not pay somebody to do my hair all the time. So learning simple styles and knowing that I can like help you guys to learn just makes me so happy. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for always supporting my videos. Anyway, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Love you guys and see you next video.